If you're seeing a Smartsheet error page and you're not sure what went wrong, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix the Smartsheet error page step by step. Whether it's a loading issue, a permission problem, or a temporary system glitch, these methods will help you get back into your sheet quickly. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important fixes. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is simply refresh the page. Sometimes the Smartsheet error page appears because of a temporary loading issue or a brief connection interruption. Go to your browser and click the refresh button, or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. Wait a few seconds and see if the sheet loads properly. In many cases, this quick refresh alone resolves the issue. If refreshing doesn't work, the next step is to check Smartsheet's system status. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. Open a new tab and search for Smartsheet status page. This will show you if there are any ongoing outages, maintenance updates, or service disruptions. If there's a reported issue, you'll simply need to wait until Smartsheet resolves it. Knowing this can save you a lot of unnecessary troubleshooting time. If the status looks normal, try logging out of your Smartsheet account and then logging back in. Click on your profile icon, select Log Out, then close the browser tab completely. Reopen your browser, go back to Smartsheet, and sign in again. This refreshes your session and can fix authentication errors that sometimes trigger the error page. Next, try opening Smartsheet in an Incognito window or using a different browser. Sometimes browser extensions or cached data interfere with how Smartsheet loads. Open an Incognito or private browsing window and log into your account from there. If it works, the issue is likely related to your browser settings or extensions. You can also test another browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, to see if the problem continues. Another very common cause of the Smartsheet error page is permission issues. If you're trying to access a sheet through a shared link, it's possible you no longer have access. Reach out to the sheet owner and confirm that you still have the correct permissions. They may need to reshare the sheet with you or adjust your access level. Without proper permissions, Smartsheet may display an error instead of opening the file. You should also try opening the sheet directly from your Smartsheet dashboard instead of using a saved or shared link. Log into Smartsheet, go to your Home or Browse section, and locate the sheet from your list of recent or shared items. Sometimes older links become invalid or expire, and accessing the sheet directly from your dashboard can solve the issue instantly. If you're still facing the error, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted and prevent websites from loading correctly. Go to your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and choose the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select Cached Images in Files. After clearing the cache, close your browser completely, reopen it, and log back into Smartsheet. By following these steps, refreshing the page, checking Smartsheet status, logging out and back in, trying incognito mode or another browser, verifying permissions, opening from the dashboard, and clearing your cache, you should be able to fix most Smartsheet error pages quickly and safely. If this video helped you fix your Smartsheet error, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.